The PPS 33rd Annual Spring Conference in Chicago begins with your choice of 10 full-day workshops where you can earn credits towards your Certified Pricing Professional designation. Explore big picture concepts along with practical applications you can take back to the office immediately through this personalized small group and interactive experience led by senior level practitioners and pricing thought leaders. CPP credits earned during our conference are even a better value than purchasing a CPP bundle alone, not only in price, but also in the personalized, tailored benefits received. We're looking forward to seeing you at the PPS workshops in Chicago, and please check our website, pricingsociety.com, for more information. Thank you.